We have all experienced that moment of panic after losing important files, only to realize they're not even in the recycle bin. But don't worry, you can get them back in just a few seconds. When you accidentally delete a file, your hard drive gets corrupted, or you lose data for any other reason, the files are not immediately erased. Instead, they become inaccessible and the space they occupied is marked as available for the new data. As long as that space has not been overwritten, you can recover your lost files using a reliable data recovery tool like Advanced File Recovery. With Advanced File Recovery, you can easily recover deleted files, photos, videos, documents, and more. This powerful tool restores lost data from hard drives, SSDs, USBs, SD cards, and other storage devices. To recover files from your PC, first download and install Advanced File Recovery on your Windows computer. You can use the download link in the description. Once downloaded, open the app and select the drive where you want to recover deleted files. There are two types of scanning options. The first is a quick scan and the second is a deep scan. Select whichever you prefer. After that, click on Next. On the next screen, select what type of data you want to recover, such as photo, video, documents, audio, or all data. Then click on Start Scan. With Advanced File Recovery's advanced scanning process, your desired location is scanned and your deleted data is displayed. Preview the files and then select the files and folder you want to recover and click on Recover Now. On the next screen, select the location where you want to recover the deleted data. Make sure to select a different drive to avoid overwriting of data. In a few seconds, your file will be recovered. Here are the deleted files we recovered successfully from the drive. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.